Hello, I welcome you to Jorut Academy. Please, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo, a 3D logo using your WhatsApp. Okay, so let's first of all go to this particular icon here. So we call it the Meta AI. So let's just click on it. So if you're not seeing this icon here, that means you need to check the updates or need to update your WhatsApp. So let's click on that, and in the moment you click on it, it will welcome you with the name that you use on WhatsApp. So I have the name here. So the first thing is I will tell the chat to create a 3D logo for let's say Jorut. So let me put that in quotes, Jorut Academy. Then you hit on the send button. Then you wait for it to create the logo for you. So you're going to see that it will create a powerful 3D logo for Jorut Academy. So the logo is now ready. So you can see that. So the logo is created, and you can see that it has given us an image to match the logo. Okay, so you can equally work on this, and then you can tell the chat to change let's say change the image, or you can say change the image to a school building. So just like you are talking to someone, you are giving your instruction to someone, and the person will just follow how you want it to be. Okay, so just talk to it. So you can see that it has now changed to a different thing altogether. Okay, so you can equally say, or you can ask the Meta AI to create a 3D logo for Jorut Academy, and you can tell it to place it okay on a billboard. So then you generate it. So it will give you a logo on a billboard, and you're going to see that it is so powerful. So you can see that this is so powerful logo. Okay, so this is how you can create logos with just AI, just Meta AI. That's just your WhatsApp, and then all you need is just come to this section here, and then you save it to your gallery, or you can equally share to any other device. Then you're good to go. Okay, so you see, it is so simple in creating logos using your WhatsApp. Okay, so if you're using your phone and you're not making money from your phone, that means you are lacking something. So join me in the other side of the training, where we are going to use our AI an AI to generate photo, or to edit our photos to make it look like an original photo shoot image. Okay, so let's meet there and then learn more. Thank you.